David Cool. Today, y'all, I'm bringing y'all with me to get some purple sweet potatoes. What they did, they went through this right here. Here's a piece of the root right here. They went through and landed into the ground, right? So what I did, I found two sweet potatoes right there. So I'm just gonna dig right in here. Let me show y'all before I throw them over there. That's nice size. Here's one, here's one. That's a nice size. See a can right there though. So I'm gonna let everything else be. Let it stay. Get that can up out of there. Wait a minute, I look like I might see something here. Am I? Some more metal. There was something metal here because it broke up. Yeah. Put my gloves on. Or glove on. How's everybody doing? Hope y'all doing well out there. That goes on top. I'll fix that when I'm done. Fix all that when I'm done. So, let's see what we have. Uh-oh. Let's see one. I see two. I feel three. I see four. Let's see if it's in there. Let's see. There's something else in here. I feel something. Let's see. This was just leaf matter in here. That's all that was in here at one time. Leaves and soil. Some nice sized potato right there. Small one. I feel it. Ooh. I already broke the container. Don't want to break it no more. Oh, found another one. And a hole in my glove. Found another one. Found a small one. See, found something here. Man, let me turn this bucket over. Soil is heavy. Goodness. Look at all those potato roots. Found another one. Found a small one. Y'all think there's something in here? Let's see. Y'all lied to me. Ain't nothing in there. But I did see find a little one. It's the last one, probably. Make sure there's nothing there. Not. Not. Whoa. Y'all see, that's why I told you I busted it. Actually busted it in 2 spots. I didn't know that. I did it last winter. When you get these plastic containers in the wintertime, do not hit them. Do not kick them. But I believe that's what I did, was kick it. Oh, goodness. Another small one. Then we found a marble. Y'all remember we used to play marbles? I even got marbles in my soil. Whoa. Oh, is that just tissue? Or is that plastic? It's plastic. I can't hear with the speaker on, so. Yes, this is some great soil, you all. I mean, good to great soil. Promise you it is. You want the leaves and everything. Go back into that container. All right. There we have it. And there we have it. A bunch of sweet potatoes. That's nice. That's a nice haul. Sure is. That's a nice little haul. Yep. So it's your boy, David Cord, with that crop, showing y'all I did get a little sweet potato harvest. Let me try to shake this other glove off. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nice little harvest. If you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment if you so choose. I love it. Keep growing, y'all.